Hi, and welcome to AI Toolkit, where we explore the latest AI tools. Today, I'll show you how to remove the background from any image quickly and efficiently using BEN2. This powerful AI tool makes the process fast and seamless, perfect for social media posts, graphic design, or just for fun. Let's dive in. Start by visiting the BEN2 website. Click on the Upload Image button. Choose the photo you want to edit from your device. BEN2 supports most common image formats like JPEG and PNG. Once uploaded, BEN2's AI automatically detects the subject and removes the background. This usually takes just a few seconds. If needed, you can manually adjust the selection using the Refine Edges tool for a more precise cutout. When you're satisfied with the result, click on Download to save the image without the background. You can choose the format, such as PNG for transparent backgrounds, or JPEG if you plan to add a new background later. And that's it. In just a few clicks, BEN2 effortlessly removes backgrounds, saving you time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.